Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. In this video number 219, we are going to see some interesting vocabularies. And these are the words that will make your phrases effective, native-like or Tamil-like. Let us go to the learning now. Let us see the words fortune, fortunate, unfortunate, and a few phrases revolving around it. It can be an impressive starting word in a sentence. And to speak like a native speaker, you need all those impressive words. Vocabulary is the key, and grammar is something you'll get with time. Let us see words like fortunately, unfortunately, I'm lucky, unlucky, luck, misfortune, etc. Fortunately is adishta vasama. Adishta vasama. Listen to it carefully. Adishta vasama. Fortunately, I escaped. Imagine he's saying this to his friend. There was an accident from which he fortunately escaped. Adishta vasama na தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். அதிர்ஷ்டவசமா நான் தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். அதிர்ஷ்டவசமா நான் தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். Please focus on the script now, and as I always say, you can drastically improve if you get yourselves familiar with the letters. அதிர்ஷ்டவசமா நான் தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். அதிர்ஷ்டவசமா நான் தப்பிச்சிட்டேன். Imagine this lady here is a financial investor and she says, "Oh, unfortunately, all my investments went waste. Duradishta நான் போட்ட shares அவ்வளவும் தண்டமா போச்சு." Dandama pochi is another phrase for you. It means it went waste, useless. Duradishta நான் போட்ட shares அவ்வளவும் தண்டமா போச்சு. So adishta vasama and you add duradishta vasama, unfortunately. Duradishta vasama நான் போட்ட shares அவ்வளவும் தண்டமா போச்சு. Duradishta vasama நான் போட்ட shares அவ்வளவும் தண்டமா போச்சு. Now there's also a word to say lucky person or an unlucky person, and that we shall see now. So, see, just the word luck gets us to many other words and phrases. So, she's a lucky person. Did you see that she got promoted so soon? Adu adishta sali. Adukulla promotion kadachirche. Patiya? Patiya means, did you see or did you notice? Adu adishta sali. Adukulla promotion kadachirche. Patiya? அது அதிர்ஷ்டசாலி. அதுக்குள்ள ப்ரமோஷன் கிடைச்சிடுச்சு. பாத்தியா? If I wish for something, it would never happen. I'm unfortunate. Well, she's a negative person finding an excuse for something already. Well, let's mind our own business and just translate. நான் ஏதாவது ஆசைப்பட்டா அது நடக்கவே நடக்காது. நான் துரதிர்ஷ்டசாலி. நான் ஏதாவது ஆசைப்பட்டா அது நடக்கவே நடக்காது. நான் துரதிர்ஷ்டசாலி. And the script, please don't skip it. நான் ஏதாவது ஆசைப்பட்டா அது நடக்கவே நடக்காது. நான் துரதிர்ஷ்டசாலி. நான் ஏதாவது ஆசைப்பட்டா அது நடக்கவே நடக்காது. நான் துரதிர்ஷ்டசாலி. The key to learning is you have to repeat that I say. Even if you do not fully understand it, just repeating makes it easier for you to understand. Now, luck and misfortune as a noun. If only you have luck, would you win the lottery? அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் லாட்டரி அடிக்கும். அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் லாட்டரி அடிக்கும். and misfortune strikes me non-stop. So you remember that lady who lost a lot of money in shares? Now she again lost some money. Misfortune strikes me non-stop. Duradishto enna thoratti adikkudu. Thoratti means continuously chasing. Thoratti. Duradishto enna thoratti adikkudu. அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் லாட்ரி அடிக்கும். அதிர்ஷ்டம் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் லாட்ரி அடிக்கும். துரதிர்ஷ்டம் என்ன துரத்தி அடிக்குது. துரதிர்ஷ்டம் என்ன துரத்தி அடிக்குது. Now, this is how you also slowly build the vocabulary. So don't be scared of grammar. You can easily get them when you learn more phrases. And I'm hereafter going to be doing a lot of phrases videos as well. So check the Instagram, but I'm going there a little slow, but I'll pick up soon. And you can there learn a lot of the way I speak, and then it's good for listening. And try to repeat anything that I say, please. And a learner was mentioning that the lessons are so jumbled, but actually no. If you pick only the grammar videos, I'll give you the link here on top. You can click. They're so in method, gradually increasing in depth. Whereas other lessons, you can pick and choose whatever you want depending on your mood. Otherwise, it would seem like a textbook learning that I hate myself. So if you want a very method learning, see all the grammar first, and then you can check the other lessons. And there have been some positive replies to the poll that I recently posted, but definitely the way it goes now is not going to bring people to learning. Over time, YouTube will make the channel undiscoverable. I'll let you know shortly, discuss with you, or if you please, you can discuss it like you can feel like it's our channel. You can participate with your inputs. I'll make it an unlisted video and give links to you all. Otherwise, it is not worth anybody's while. At this point, it's all about pushing this channel further somehow. And if you're okay, please send a mail to me and introduce yourself, your interest for the language, reason, your level, your goal, your time, and what you like. I'll be happy to read, and I'll try to remember your points while making videos. Thank you. And Instagram, as I said, is going slow, but we shall discuss about that too shortly. Thank you. Vanakkam.